Not long ago, ChatGPT received a massive update with GPT-4, introducing the groundbreaking code interpreter plugin. Now, the neural network can write and execute Python code right in the chat interface. Additionally, we can upload files up to 100 MB and work with them using ChatGPT. At the end of the video, I will also tell you about some of the latest updates to OpenAI. And right now, I will show you 7 ways that ordinary people can use the code interpreter. Let's get started. Attention, tech lovers. The brilliant minds of OpenAI, bless them, have launched a new code interpreter feature this summer. Now, this feature is in beta for all paying subscribers, breaking the traditional programming paradigm. If you've forgotten how the beta version of ChatGPT Plus works, here's a tip from one of my previous videos where I talk about it. So, what is a code interpreter? It's your new all-in-one tool for data analysis, graphing, image processing, and even game development from uploaded files. This is a monumental step forward for technology. I've been hooked on social media channels, and I'm in awe of the incredible results people are sharing about their experiences with the code interpreter. The results are breathtaking. So why should we stay away? Let's check out this power plant. Our first experiment for today involves transforming an ordinary image into a vibrant GIF. This is a stunning image I pre-generated in Midjourney. If you're still in the dark about Midjourney, don't worry. Check out my detailed video on it. The link's right here. Now, let's engage in a lively dialogue with ChatGPT Plus. Select the Code Interpreter plugin, hit that plus button to upload the file, and then, here comes the exciting part. We challenge ChatGPT to make our model shimmer, sparkle, and twinkle like a disco ball at the wildest party. By the way, all the prompts and results of my queries that I'll be showing you today will be posted on my Instagram. If you're interested, feel free to use them. You can find the link to my Instagram in the description and the first pinned comment under this video. I can't wait to see what happens next. Wow, look at that! ChatGPT is on fire! It has crafted a plan and is now smoothly generating Python code. But here's the catch. It's not just churning out code. It's teaching us about what each line does. The code interpreter even learns from its mistakes, iterates, revises, and refines the code, just like we programmers do. But the best part? Here comes our GIF, baby. Check out this mesmerizing transformation. The outcome is simply dazzling. As a bonus, I'm also sharing another animation I managed to create during a different take. It's genuinely awe-inspiring. Imagine you've got some creative online content, a video, an image, whatever, that you're eager to protect. We all know the drill, right? The easiest way to safeguard your digital work is to slap a watermark on it. And guess what? Our new best friend, the code interpreter, is ready to assist. Picture this. We've just whipped up a brand new character and we're keen to keep it under our creative domain. We upload the file. Instruct our trusty ChatGPT to smack a big, bold, white watermark right in the middle. And voila, there's our download link. Wait, what? That's teeny tiny. Maybe we should have mentioned a different Python library or specified a numeric value. Well, that's all part of the learning process, isn't it? If you've got the solution, don't be shy. Drop it in the comments. Let's navigate this digital maze and evolve together. Now let's see how the code interpreter can also serve as your handy assistant for mundane tasks. Take this tedious file with a wholesale price list from NECA, for instance. I want the cost for just one toy, but all I have are prices for entire boxes. Let's see if our newfound friend ChatGPT can help us out. We upload the file, make a detailed request, and after a bit of back and forth, we've got our link. The result is simply stellar. But here's a little behind-the-scenes secret. I didn't get it right on the first try. It took a bit of trial and error, a bit of tweaking here and there. But hey, we made it. Honestly, this seemingly simple task used to take me hours. At this rate, ChatGPT is slowly turning into Jarvis from Iron Man, and I am so here for it. Let's stretch our limits with a complex dataset of B Corporation certified companies. For those of you wondering, these are companies that excel in social and environmental performance, public transparency, and legal accountability. So, ChatGPT, what can you tell us about this dataset? As expected, it's given us a detailed breakdown. This is AI at its finest. Now, can it plot graphs based on geographical location and number of employees, and perhaps find a correlation between the two? With a little nudging and refining, we've got it. Most of the B corporations are small companies based in the US and the UK. You can literally visualize anything with this dataset. Just input the right parameters and let ChatGPT weave its magic. Data analysis isn't just for data scientists anymore, my friends. Now let's pull another rabbit out of our hat. Let's compile the findings of our dataset investigation into a LinkedIn post. This is where ChatGPT truly shines as an indispensable sidekick. A few seconds, and now I'm a data analyst. Well, almost. By the way, I've got some exciting news to share with you all. I've created an Instagram account where I'll be posting various tidbits from the world of neural networks and high tech. But how to connect with me there, you ask? Well, let's put our trusty ChatGPT to the task of creating a QR code. With a click of a button, I copy the link, and there you have it. Simply scan this QR code and follow me on Instagram to stay updated on my latest ventures into the tech universe. As we dive deeper into the world of AI, I hope this Instagram account can serve as a platform for us to exchange ideas, experiences, and discoveries. We all sometimes face situations when we need to convert files to another format. Well, ChatGPT can now help with that as well. Be it text, images, audio, it's easy. However, when converting video files, there is a slight hitch, since ChatGPT cannot load the library required for this. This is definitely something developers should look into in their next update. But it's not just about conversion. We can also have fun playing with files. For example, we have a clip of Show Must Go On by Queen in MP4 format. We can't convert video, but we can extract audio track to MP3. Let's convert it to another format. Super cool. Show must go on! I also have a large catalog on my PC in PDF. Working with it can be time-consuming. Let's set a specific task for ChatGPT, like extracting an image from the 10th page. See, it's all pretty simple. When you hear code interpreter, you might think it's something only for the coding wizards, but as we've seen, that's certainly not the case. However, right now, we're about to venture onto tech nerd territory. I'm looking at you, IT whizzes. Let's talk about programming languages. Suppose you've got some Python code. Need it in Java? Don't worry, ChatGPT's got you covered. Take this YouTube parser code I've been playing with. We instruct ChatGPT to translate it into Java, upload our Python file. And presto, we've got our Java code. Okay, it might not be 100% ready to run, but it's an absolutely brilliant starting point for anyone needing a push in the right direction. Just look at what the code interpreter is capable of. From analyzing big data to help you make informed business decisions, to optimizing parameters for machine learning to improve your predictive models, to creating fun and engaging games for your entertainment. The possibilities are boundless. To access this magic, all you need is a paid ChatGPT Plus subscription. And now, as promised, I'll tell you about the latest news from the world of ChatGPT. You will be thrilled with the latest features that OpenAI has introduced. So grab your gadgets and go. First, we have hint examples. Have you ever found yourself stranded staring at a blank screen without knowing how to start a conversation with an AI? ChatGPT now has example hints to help you get started. This new feature makes starting a conversation with AI more intuitive and fun. It's like a warm-up before starting a real chat. Next, we have suggested answers. OpenAI aims to make dialogues more interactive by offering appropriate options. Instead of having to type in a full answer, you can now choose from a list of smart and up-to-date answers. This not only speeds up the conversation, but also adds a new level of interaction, making it more human. And what provides these incredible opportunities? Say hello to GPT-4, the new default model for Plus users. ChatGPT is evolving and GPT-4 is leading the way. When you open a new dialogue, you will no longer revert to GPT 3.5 by default, and you won't have to waste time choosing a language model. In addition, the number of messages you can send has increased. You now have access to 50 messages every 3 hours. It's a giant leap forward to bring you the best of artificial intelligence. But wait, that's not all. If you're into data analytics and marketing, Code Interpreter now allows you to upload up to 10 files instead of 1. Think of the doors this opens up for learning. Now let's talk about accessibility. The login process has been redesigned to allow you to stay logged in longer. No more 2-week logout policy, a trifle, but nice. Last but not least, the introduction of ChatGPT keyboard shortcuts. These keyboard shortcuts, such as Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy a block of code, are designed to speed things up and improve performance. They fit perfectly into the theme of the more accessible and streamlined ChatGPT. All this gives you the opportunity to do more and faster. If you enjoyed this tech tour, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Remember that the future is not light years away, it's already here. Until next time, keep exploring.